Recently, opening of Mitsubishi AC sales showroom at Fair Deal House, Indira Market, Durg took place. Director Prakash Gupta, Fair Deal House informed the need of AC repairs and maintenance training is vital with commercial growing business of AC sales. Therefore, company has started AC repairs training center also. Thus, unemployed youth will get practical experience and job opportunities to make their career in the trade. Technicians are trained to install and service air conditioning equipment in business houses, residential and light commercial offices, etc. For details, contact on phone numbers and address given on the screen. Screen shows a view of Technician Training Center at Fair Deal House, Indira Market, Durg. Apprenticeship training is essential for school students aspiring for a professional career. Apprenticeship training makes them eligible for any government job or set your own enterprise. Contact for free part-time training in IT, Civil, Certificate Trades. Phone number details are on the screen. A hobby is doing something you love to boost your happiness level and improve mental health. They help to build the life skills to improve the personality and make your career a unique one. This eventually translates into better focus in studies. Even if you don't have a hobby through IPR Business World, we introduce solar clock reading and video making hobbies of school students. Learning solar clock reading and video making hobbies are good pastime activities. With this knowledge, school-college students come to know about their friends' nature, their interest in sports, etc. It helps them to form group of like-minded friends. Solar clock reading hobby learners have to prepare videos in home assignments. The girl has appeared in class 10th CBSE this year and she is keen to know about her future career. She is born on 23rd February 2009 at 8:30 a.m. On the screen her Solar Clock Career Counselling report is presented. She is attracted by things in original form and think for possible changes in them. This quality inspires her to evolve their diverse forms. It indicates that she might invent something new, and the world will adopt as her findings. She will obtain engineering degree and acquire proficiency in institutional administration. The girl's fate line shows few ups and downs in the year. She is very energetic. She is never satisfied with a task unless she does it herself. She has the ability to carry out many enterprises simultaneously. Any work that lasts for a long time and in which intelligence is used on the feet gives her satisfaction. The girl's fate line graph is drawn from January 2024 to January 2025. Parents are keen to know about her future career. Happiness Index of the year shows that year 2024 to 25 is above 70% in most of the months. CBSE result declaration time expected is in month May 2024. The fate line indicates that the result will bring good news. Today's Durg Bhilai trades news are. स्क्रीन पर 2 फ्लैट्स की सेल का विवरण है। प्रिय बंधुओं, यदि आप यहां दिखाई प्रॉपर्टीज खरीदने में इच्छुक हैं, तो कृपया स्क्रीन पर दिए फोन पर संपर्क करें। अन्य लोग जो प्रॉपर्टीज की सेल परचेस के लिए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से विज्ञापन करना चाहते हैं, वे भी संपर्क करें।